Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Safari cannot open the page because your iPhone is not connected to the internet. So guys, if you're also facing this issue here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, drag down your control center and check your internet connection whether it is working properly or not. So guys, check your internet connection, and if the flight mode is on, you have to simply turn it off. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then open settings and then go to general and then scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here. After this, go back and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply scroll it below and go to apps, and now go to your Safari browser. Here it is, and now scroll it below, and from here go to clear history and website data, and then clear history and website data of your Safari browser. So guys, do this, and after this restart your device for one time, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if you still face this issue, you have to simply go to Sport app, and from here you can get any kind of help from the Apple Sport team regarding this issue. So guys, hopefully after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.